Hi, everyone. Welcome to PlayOwnAI. It's Rashida here. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Connect OpenAI account in n8n. This isn't just about theory. We'll show you how it's simple, smart, and real-time. Ready to see how these powerful tools can elevate your development? Let's get started. Video goal: connecting OpenAI credentials. By the end of this short tutorial, you'll confidently generate a secure OpenAI API key from your account dashboard, store the key securely using environment variables, e.g. OpenAI API key or n8n's credential store, configure the OpenAI Chat Model, AI agent, or other OpenAI-powered nodes with credentials, optionally organization ID, per n8n tasks. Follow best practices to rotate keys regularly, monitor usage, and keep keys out of public code. Ensures AI automation workflows run reliably and securely from day one. All right, let's get those OpenAI credentials set up so we can bring powerful AI capabilities into our n8n workflows. First, within n8n, let's add the OpenAI Chat Model node to our canvas. Once it's there, we need to provide it with the necessary credentials to connect. Click on the Credential field and then select Create New Credential. A new window will pop open within n8n, prompting you for your API key. Now, to get that key, we need to visit the OpenAI platform. Go to https://platform.openai.com/account/API keys. If you don't have an account, you can quickly create one using your Google account or another email. Once you're on your OpenAI dashboard, look for the API keys section. It's usually on the left-hand menu or accessible from a top-right dropdown. Click on Create New Secret Key. A small pop-up window will appear. Here, you'll need to give your key a recognizable name, perhaps something like n8n Integration Key, and you might have the option to associate it with a specific project if you've created one. Hit Create Secret Key and immediately copy the key that appears. This is crucial as you won't be able to see it again after this step for security reasons. Now, jump back to your n8n credential window. Paste the key you just copied into the API key input field. You'll also see an optional organization field. If your OpenAI account is part of a specific organization and you need to specify it, you can add that ID here, but it's not required for basic functionality. Click Save and you're all set. Your n8n workflow now has the necessary credentials to connect and interact with OpenAI's powerful models. Support line: Get assist. Tough? Stuck anywhere or feeling overwhelmed? No worries. Directly. Just follow the link in the description. TV? For more tutorials and smart automation tips, visit my YouTube channel @PlayOwnAI. If you found even a little bit of help in this video, please don't forget to subscribe. It truly helps the channel grow. Chat? Still need help? Feel free to drop a comment below. I personally reply, and I'm happy to assist.